My name is Christian with Ace Appliance out of Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. So today we're working on a GE over-the-counter or over-the-range microwave. The customer complaint is that when they're using it, they're hearing grinding noises or humming noises, or rubbing noises, which we had a different technician out here last week, and he had diagnosed that it's coming from the turntable motor. So we're going to replace the turntable motor today. First thing you want to do, of course, is unplug the unit here. Make sure that there's no power at the display. Next is there's a little cam inside that the microwave plate sits on. You want to go ahead and remove that. What you would need for this repair is a number 2 style Phillips head for a drill, or just a Phillips number 2 screwdriver, also a stubby screwdriver. Now we will be working from underneath this unit here. There are several screws that hold it on. It looks like 8 screws that hold it on. You want to go ahead and remove them. They are Phillips style screws. Now, once we've removed the screws, there's a little Molex connector we can go ahead and depress to take out the wiring terminals for the light switch. Faces towards you, pull it out, set it to the side. Next. Now, there are 2 terminals that hold or plug into the turntable motor. Go ahead and pull them out. Be careful not to break the wires. They're pretty thin. They're using a higher gauge, which is a smaller wire. Once you've done that, there are 2 more 1/4" screws, or Phillips style screws that hold, or that mount the turntable, I should say, in place. Go ahead and remove them. And the old turntable will come out. So, once we've unmounted the old turntable motor, we can set it aside. We have a new one here. We're going to go ahead and mount it the same exact way on how we took it off. Now there's 2 nipples that go through each hole, and then the screw hole is next to it just to help it mount in place so it doesn't move, because this turntable probably produces, I would say, probably, it says right here, a 1/3 of a horsepower. Okay, once we have mounted it, want to wiggle it a little bit to make sure it is mounted properly. Go ahead and plug the wires in. We can go ahead and get the bottom panel we took off and set aside earlier. Line it up. Once it's lined up, we can go ahead and reconnect the Molex connector here. It's keyed, it only goes one way. Go ahead and put it together to hear that little snap. You can push this up and start reinstalling the 8 screws we took off earlier. And that is the last screw. The last thing we have to do is, this is keyed to go on the turntable one way and one way only. And it will not move any other way or slide on any other way. You can't put it on backwards. So you don't have to worry about mixing it up. So just go ahead and put it up here in the slot, turn it until it pushes down. Once it pushes down, you're all set. You can go ahead and put the wheel in place, the wheels, and the turntable plate in place. Last thing we want to do here is, maybe these have fallen out, the little charcoal filters. You want to go ahead and put them back in place. You just slide them up and they just tuck into, or they should just tuck into the front here, just like that. And that's how you successfully replace the turntable on a microwave, over the range microwave. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.